Hi, I'm Sejun from Allo, the world's most flexible furniture system that moves and grows with you. Let's face it, planned obsolescence is everywhere, and furniture is not an exception. Our homes are filled with furniture made with low-quality materials that are painful to disassemble and move, often making it easier to just throw them away after a few moves. And every year, over 10 million tons of furniture ends up in the landfill, and it remains to be the least recycled item in the household. And this is why we made Allo, an adaptable furniture system that lasts a lifetime, that you can reuse, reconfigure, and recycle. We actually launched our first product last year and shipped hundreds of unique designs to happy customers. And with their feedback, we developed a new and improved collection that we're excited to share with you on Kickstarter. Here's how it works. Allo is built on an interchangeable parts system with connectors, beams, and panels that can be easily assembled with just one tool. Allo can be taken apart and put back together in minutes, so you can move with it and reconfigure it to fit your space. You can also make upgrades to your furniture and even create entirely new designs in just a few clicks, thanks to our new online builder. We designed Allo to last a lifetime. When things get damaged, you can simply replace the parts to make your furniture brand new again. Allo is made with the highest grade of zinc and aluminum, with VOC-free powder coating that leaves minimal impact on the environment while making Allo 99% recyclable. As a team of former manufacturing and product engineers, we've spent countless hours designing Allo to have maximum durability and versatility. And with the addition of zinc materials and upgraded hardware, our parts are now 40% stronger and can even be used outdoors. Our new collection has all of the items to complement your life in the city. A side table, a garment rack, a coffee table, a desk, and a bookshelf. And staying true to our approach, each item can be transformed in different ways so you can get an everlasting value without ever getting bored of it. For the past year, we've worked closely with our suppliers and we are now ready to launch our new batch of manufacturing. We believe in a future where sustainable and long-lasting furniture is made attainable for everyone. And we need your help to cover our manufacturing costs to bring new and improved Allo to life.
Hi guys, I'm Bruno Blas from Avalon and I want to introduce you to something really special. Sunglasses have traditionally been a luxury product. Brands are quite expensive, sunglasses are fragile and they actually don't care about the environment that much. That's mostly because of the monopoly that exists in the industry. We want to change that. That's why we created a product for people just like you. Travel people, sports people, fashion people, the ones who are constantly losing the sunglasses as they travel, as they go on adventures, as they live. The same people who want the frames to be high quality, the lenses to be polarized, and the products to be 100% eco-friendly and made of recycled materials. And also budget-friendly. So it's impossible, right? After many months of hard work and many trips around, looking for the perfect materials and companies to work with, we finally developed the product that we wanted to. We have designed the perfect collection of sunglasses for people like us, for people like you. We can affirm that we make the best sunglasses you can get for an accessible price point. All of our sunglasses are produced in high-resistance recycled polycarbonate, an ultra-lightweight material that is extremely tough and offers a unique look. Using only recycled materials allows us to reduce contamination and reduce the waste produced in our factories. In addition, we use triacetate lenses made of cellulose, which is an organic and highly strong material as well. They provide total UV 400 protection against the sun's UV radiation and are polarized, which makes them perfect for outdoor activities, especially to avoid reflections in the snow or water. We are nature lovers and always try to find a purpose in everything we do. More than 1,000 kilos of plastic end up in the sea every 5 seconds. As a result, 40% of the Earth's ocean areas have already been taken away by plastic. As a way to give back to you and make your contribution even more meaningful, we are compromising on removing 1 kilo of plastic from the ocean for each bucket. Help us out. And of course, we don't forget about the packaging, a beautiful box, which you can reuse to make sure that the sunglasses will arrive safely, and something to take on the go. An extra lightweight microfiber pouch with a matching cloth. Avalon sunglasses are just what you need. This is the reason why we are here. We want Kickstarter's users to be the first one to get access to our collection with the best prices.
What does that feel like?
I'm totally dry under these.
What does it feel like?
I can't feel anything. It just feels like a tingle of the water on top, but it's not wet.
It's completely dry. These are saucy. Wow. Bro, it's completely dry.
Yeah, it just rolls off. Like, it changes in color, so it looks like it's wet, but my feet are completely dry.
These are saucy. Damn, bruh. They look like space boots. I love them.
Just step in it?
Just step in it. I promise you your feet are not gonna get wet.
Are your feet dry? Really?
They're not wet.
So they actually work.
Yeah. Like, I would wear these all the time. Like, I like to jump around in puddles because I'm a child. So, like, I would wear these, like, in my everyday life. Or if I was, like, going hiking, too. Like, in the wintertime, these would be really nice, too. Like, I'm not getting wet at all. I like these.
It's crazy.
Oh, I've seen this from there.
That's actually crazy.
Dang, I don't feel nothing. Feels like I'm stepping in nothing. If that no, bro. That's way cool. I like it.
You feel anything? No. So are they waterproof?
Yeah.
Do you feel any water? Do you think your feet are, like, it scares you because you think your feet are gonna get wet?
Yeah, a little bit, but I'm not, like, I don't feel any of it. My tootsies are dry.
Yeah, these are awesome.
That's really cool, like, especially, like, at work because we have to, like, go outside a lot in the snow and, like, the rain.
Yeah.
I'd be walking around all day with swampy, wet feet, and it was just the worst.
Yeah, these are comfortable, too.
We want what's best for our kids. The problem is that kids spend way too much time with technology that isn't looking out for them. There's too many screens with too many distractions, not enough creativity and learning, and definitely not enough privacy. Meet Chatterbox, the world's first build-it-yourself, program-it-yourself smart speaker for kids. Think of it like an Amazon Alexa, but one focused on privacy that kids can build and teach to bring their creativity to life. Our simple step-by-step instructions make problem-solving fun and hands-on. Building Chatterbox is as easy as building a paper airplane. The visual skill builder helps kids learn about artificial intelligence while easily programming voice skills. Kids can set up magic words to control lights, message grandparents, and craft their own interactive story adventures. Anything is possible. Chatterbox is a fun, personal, and private way for kids to develop important communication, critical thinking, and problem-solving skills. Our team's collective experience has built educational software and hardware products used by millions of kids all over the world. We're parents, educators, designers, and developers committed to making learning fun again. We've been testing Chatterbox in Silicon Valley's top schools with tons of success. Parents love it, teachers love it, and most importantly, kids love Chatterbox. We're ready to share Chatterbox with the world. We need you and the rest of the Kickstarter community to help us meet the manufacturing requirements to make it happen. Please support us in bringing Chatterbox to kids all over the world.
Hi, I'm Chatterbox, ready to learn. Back our Kickstarter today.
Have you ever suffered from jet lag after a long-haul flight? Do you ever struggle to stay awake while working late or in shifts? Have you ever been craving light when an endless winter haunted the land? If this sounds all too familiar, we have a brand new solution for you. Pocket Sky. Pocket Sky defeats jet lag, so you can enjoy your trip across the time zones from day one. Pocket Sky activates you in the morning, or whenever you need to get yourself going. And it brightens you up when winter is at its darkest. 20 minutes are enough to indulge you with a lift of energy, a brighter mood, and better sleep. Pocket Sky works just like the sun. It uses soft blue light to suppress the production of melatonin, the sleep hormone. This is the most natural way for enhancing your wakefulness and well-being. You can use Pocket Sky wherever you are and whenever you need it most. That's what makes it such a great companion. Pocket Sky seamlessly blends into your lifestyle. You can use it while keeping busy with other things on your agenda. It's also very easy to use. Once you put it on, Pocket Sky activates itself and switches off after usage. Its case doubles as a wireless charging unit and has a battery life of 2 weeks. We have made sure Pocket Sky meets the highest safety standards. It takes care of your eyes by indulging you with natural light. It is completely free of glare and ultraviolet light. Pocket Sky has been developed by a team of designers, engineers, and business-savvy people from Vienna. Mark is our product design enthusiast. Michael does all the engineering, while Hans makes sure the numbers add up. Now we need your support to get serial production rolling.